Okay, so we are here at the Austin International Bergstrom Airport, and we are going to go to Houston, and we'll probably be there in 2 hours approximately. And this is a flight for me and my siblings because we have not gone yet, and that's why I'm feeling very nervous and trying to get my mind off of it. And so, but in November we're actually going to be going to Colorado, which is going to be a longer flight than this one. This flight's probably going to be like 45 minutes. That's why we're just taking a quick one. And so, yeah, so we're waiting for the bus to come pick us up to take us to the airport.
We're going to be staying at the Hilton.
Huge airplane. Okay, so we are here, about to get on, and,
Are you gonna want to sit by window?
waiting, I don't know, so, as you can see, everybody's getting on, so, excited. I'll get back to you all soon, bye.
Oh, wait a minute, what seats?
We're just going to sit in,
Oh, it's for
yeah.
The lady told us, she said, just go straight to the gate. You gotta check the stroller at the gate.
She probably meant over there.
I don't know,
Here we
but she
go.
told me we're gonna check it downstairs, and she said, no, don't worry about it.
We're on board. Going down. What's it gonna look like? What's it gonna look like? Here we go through the clouds. We're about to exit through the clouds. I can see the ground a little bit. Then it got dark in the plane. It's weird because you can look up and down and like you don't see anything. There's lights out there. They're blinking. You see them right there? Whoa!
Now you can see. We're still in some clouds. Wow.
Look at that house with the copper roof.
I know.
Got a copper roof.
Look at the skyline. Oh my gosh, we're right there. Oh gosh. Here we go. Here we go.
Here we go.
Oh god. Oh god. That's scary. That's scary. Oh god. I know, more little labs. gosh. The poor little flaps. They're like
Like the little flaps that are on the
little flaps.
See the little flap right here? It'll go down.
Just the little flaps too much.
Well,
Like, whoa.
You like the flight? Yeah.
Hey everyone, it's me, Double G TV times 2 here, and I just am finishing up this video, airplane ride. So yes, I had a very good experience, and the thing is, this video is being uploaded probably about 2 months after the actual plane ride thing and trip to Houston actually happened. The thing is, I'm sorry, I don't know why I thought that I was going to need my computer. I'll talk about that in a moment, to upload this video, but it turns out I had it all on my iPad. So I'm just gonna say thank you for watching the video. I had such an excellent experience. I'm not gonna lie, before we took the plane ride, I was absolutely scared to death to hop on to a plane, and now I'm like, I love to get on planes. Anyways, so yeah, back to the computer thing. I just got it actually today. It is a Dell Precision 21600. It is amazing. I do need to run to Radio Shack, pick up like a couple, like 2 things from Radio Shack to, cause I'm gonna hook my computer up, the computer up to my TV. And so I need a certain cable and this and that and the other. And so I need to do that. I'll probably do that tomorrow. And tomorrow actually is December 31st, which is New Year's Eve. And the next Sunday will be this January 1st, to the first day of 2011. And my computer came in the perfect timing. I said that I wanted to do a 2011 video for... Oh god, my phone's ringing. Anyways, so yeah, hopefully I'll come out with a video probably January 1st, and that'll be my first post. Anyways, so yeah, I just want to say I had a good time, and basically that's it. See ya. Oh god, this won't turn off. Hey guys, I just realized I took the previous wrap-up video at the wrong angle when I was supposed to take it at the vertical angle, then the horizontal angle, and so everything came out squished. Sorry about that. So basically, I'm just sorry about my little brat brother and sister. So yeah, I'm just trying to say, so basically, I'm sorry about that mistake. So thank you for watching this video. I'm sorry, I just realized that I didn't vlog at all during the actual experience at Houston, because that's where we went. And I'm sorry about that. I was just too busy having fun and stuff. And, Mallory, be quiet. Anyways, so yeah, but really it is called airplane ride, so I just wanted to focus on the airplane part. So anyways, I had a good time, and thank y'all for watching this video. Sorry about the previous clip that's all squished. Anyways, see ya.